What's up, guys, and everyday Canadian? Welcome to the 2022 hot pepper grow. In this video we're going to talk about growing hot peppers in Southwestern Ontario, but I finally got the peppers in their pots. We are strictly just growing our peppers in pots. I'm going to try to make this video as fast as possible because it's going to rain any second. Just make sure if you're going to grow some hot peppers, make sure the nights are a little bit above 10 degrees. I'll leave a weather chart somewhere up here you guys can check out. We're going to go through our peppers. We got some new hot peppers that we're growing this year. So let's get started, and welcome to the channel if you're new. We do all kinds of different stuffs. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so we're going to go through each and every plant. We have some chocolate bootlas. Picked up this habanero. I always grow habaneros, but for some reason I always just buy a new habanero instead of just using seeds. But if you're growing peppers that you bought, keep the tags because they come in handy. I actually started using these for a couple other plants I did with seeds. So yeah, keep them. We got some Carolina Reapers, Peach Ghost Scorpion, Big Mustard Mama, he's new. White Moruga, that's new. Hallows Eve. And if you guys want some of these seeds, I can leave some links in the description so you guys can get your own seeds or order. I order my seeds and then I reuse my seeds and keep them till the coming years. So we got a Basket of Fire. This one's already got peppers on it. Another White Moruga. Yellow Dutch Habanero. My daughter wanted some celery, so she planted celery. We got Nagavina, that's a new one. Another Yellow Dutch, because I've never grown them before, so I'm interested to see what that one's like. Another Chocolate Bootla. This is funny, we're just experimenting. So we're growing watermelon in this tub right here, so we're gonna see how that goes. We have a 7-pot Primo, that's new. And of course, we have some tomatoes. Another Nagavina, Chocolate Scorpion, Chocolate Bootla, Big Mustard Mama, Carolina Reaper, of course, gotta have that in your garden. Yellow Reaper, I don't know why that tag's in there. Like I said, I keep my tags. That's Carolina Reaper, I grew a couple years ago, but I keep the tags. This one is another, nope, that's Habanero X Moruga, so that's a cross. I grew that last year. Trinidad Scorpion, Carolina Reaper, Chocolate Bootla. I love Chocolate Bootla because I've never grown it before, and I've heard it's a really scary hot pepper. So we might have to do some pepper reviews, taste testing. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you like on the video. Another White Moruga. I've never grown White Moruga, so I have a few of them. This is another new one. Ancient Sword. So I think it's probably related to a banana pepper. We'll have to check that out. So let's... Alright, this is one I did by seed, but I kept the tag. This is a cayenne chili. So that one hasn't had its peppers yet, but they're coming in. Some flowers. Yeah, so keep the tags. I already added plant food and nitro pellets to the soil. So all of them have been topped up and fed. In this tub, we are doing pumpkins. So if you've never grown pumpkins in a pot before, try. I don't even know how big this pot is, but we filled it to the top. We're gonna see if we can get at least one pumpkin out of it. And if this works, then yeah, we can do a harvest video of harvesting pumpkins. So yeah, this is pumpkins in a pot. Alright, so we have another Basket of Fire. This one actually has peppers on it. We also do seed giveaways. We also trade seeds. So if you haven't had any of the seeds that I have and you want to trade, we can definitely trade or work something out. Yeah. Alright, so we have another Peach Ghost Scorpion, White Moruga. We have 7-pot Bubble Gum, that's a new one. Another one, Big Mustard Mama. All Hallows Eve. 7-pot Brain Strain. Banana Rama. So that'll be an interesting one. And last but not least, we have another Chocolate Bootla. So yeah, I'm very excited to try chocolate butla. We finally got the seeds. So yeah, those are my hot peppers. If you guys want to see more hot pepper videos, or if you have any questions, leave me a comment. Make sure to like on this video. Just a short video, guys. More videos to come. This and Everyday Canadian. Take care, guys.